We are here at Galeon, and if it's one thing I know, is they know how to throw a party. We're at a boat show right now, and this is an experience. You got to come check it out. We are going to actually stop and ask customers what they think of Galeon. What do you think right off the bat?
Very sexy, clean lines, and very versatile. I like that. I like that about the boat.
So, are you familiar with the Galeon brand?
I am. I did some research. We're interested in buying a yacht, so that's why we're here.
So what do you think so far about Galeon?
Galeon, love it. Love how the sides open up, and this one is a perfect boat for us. So.
All right, so 64-foot range is what we're looking at?
We're in the 60s, yeah. So this 64, we looked at some 66 and 69s, but this 64 really has so many features that the bigger boats don't even have. To be able to walk through to the front with the window is just priceless, and just the glass. There's big windows all around. It has a very good open feel to it.
Yep.
And the fly bridge has got a lot of space up on top, so great for entertaining. I love how they have this back area here where it covers up for shade, so in case the sun is coming from that direction. So no, just really a well thought through boat.
Are you familiar with Galeon?
We are not, but we just saw them for the first time, and yeah, we're impressed. We really like the layout and how you've utilized the space with the size, with the length of the boat.
There isn't any wasted space.
That's a huge feature, and of course we're.
The side pop out.
Oh yeah, beach mode.
Yeah.
Handy when at the dock, out. It's fantastic.
I like that it's all one level.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a down galley. The galley is up top.
And the side door opening at the cockpit is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the helm, yeah.
All right. Well, excellent. Thank you so much for talking to me today.
Thanks a lot.
Good luck at the show.
Okay.
Have a good time. It is
Yeah, it's
beautiful
great.
product. So, new to Galeon.
Yep.
What are some of your first reactions?
First reactions is wow. Like I love the bar and the extended space on the side. The galley is beautiful. Obviously, it's a beautiful boat. It's a beautiful boat. I was speechless when I got on. So I'm more of an open space type of person, and this fits perfectly in there.
100%.
Yeah.
All right. Well, can't get more real than that. You heard it straight from the customer's mouth. Some knew, some didn't know about Galeon, but you are more educated, and thank you so much for joining us today. If you need more information, GaleonYachts.us has everything for you. We'll see you next time.